welcome to another Thailand vlog. So we have been gallivanting with the scooter the whole day, and if you guys haven't seen the previous Thailand vlog, I will link it down below for you guys. Tell them to go watch it, Liffy.
Go watch it.
Wow, look at this massive leap. This is my foot. Goodness.
I know you've heard it all before, but you are the love of my life. I knew when you came through the door that you are the love of my life.
That was tough, you guys. We just came back down to the beach. It's low tide now, so it doesn't look that pretty, but the sun is perfect for taking photos. So I changed quickly and yo.
Nothing's hard, everything is easy with you around. No bombards, everything is easy when you come around. Hold on now. I remember meeting you in a dream, thinking that's the love of my life.
Let's eat. It's beautiful. It's so stunning.
Now we're going to take a chance on the least flashy restaurant. So we've been living that high life, going on to the nice places, and now we're going to try.
We want to see if we can find a hidden gem, so we're going to eat at the least attractive restaurant and see if the food is good.
Nothing's hard, everything is easy with you around.
So far, turns out that we actually found a little gem. There's no one by this restaurant, it's only us. And the drinks are amazing. It's actually happy hour that made us decide to eat here.
No bombards, everything is easy when you come around. Hold on now.
My hair is struggling in this humidity. My hair is literally like expanding, so I tied it up, and Brain got some pineapple chicken and I wanted something sweet, so I got mango sticky rice, but I'm having some of Brain's food and it's delicious. Let's see.
It's very good. Never a bad decision when you go with pineapple and chicken.
And it looks beautiful.
Don't let go. Don't let go of me. Don't let go. Don't let go. Nothing's hard, everything is easy with you around. Everything is easy when you come around.
So we just got back to the villa. Brain just what's it in Engels? Hy tap vir ons 'n bad.
Running a tub.
Running a tub. There's like Oreos.
Whatever places.
We stopped at 7-Eleven on our way home and we got some gin and some tonic, and I'm gonna make us a little G&T, and then we're gonna enjoy it in the bathtub. Nee? How strong you want it?
There's a bit of a kick.
That one's for you. This is mine. This is Brain's.
That would have gone so well with this G&T. So nice. A vape. Thanks, Thailand.
Ew. So we're gonna have a gin and tonic in the bath. Our bath is outside, by the way. We haven't done a room tour yet. We'll do that soon. I don't know when, but we'll do it.
Thank you.
On now.
Good morning.
It's quite early.
Yeah, it's early. You woke up. You woke up at 5:30.
Holiday.
We just got here. I'm so excited.
Vegetable.
We're a very small group today, so I'm really excited. Yay! There's a hair on my lip. Got it.
We have two food to feed two elephant. What we have like a banana or like a pineapple. Yes, but pineapple like this we have to cut a small piece also. Yes, for elephant easy to eat also. After that we're going to walk to upstairs. We're going to see the elephant.
Would you follow me to wonders?
So now we are gonna make food for the elephant.
Take my hand and walk beside me in a world of thunder. Fear is an imposter. When you look at me this way, I find it hard to not give in. So the days became weeks, it felt just like the night before. You were slowly fading in my mind. When you left I was so completely gone, but now I'm sure you were some of the best of things to find.
We've got the food. Rain has the bananas and the pineapples. And I've got the coconuts.
Would you follow me to one? find it hard to not give in.
Oh my goodness, it's amazing, you guys. I'm like soaking wet. We showered with the elephants and now we are gonna have some fun and swim with them. So I'm gonna put the camera down.
We can take it slow, make sure we do this right. Canceled all my plans to be with you tonight.
It was amazing. We are gonna take a shower now, I think, and then we're gonna have lunch. Most of these tours that you book in Phuket or in Thailand, they include a lunch for you, so that is really nice. So they cook you like traditional Thai food and it's delicious. So we're just gonna have a little shower.
So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks for taking me to the elephants.
You see the elephants happy?
I love the things you did for me. For me, it seems like you're dropping clues. There's no need to rush, so let's just take our time.
Are you coming, darling?
Whose name is on this bag? Who needs to worry about this bag?
You need to worry about my bag.
JVH, not BDH.
BDH, BDP.
Dropping everything, cause you're stuck on my mind. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer next to me.
Swadika. We laid by the pool for a good couple of hours and now we are gonna get a Thai massage.
Trying to find another way to say this, but I think
We're gonna get a couple's Thai massage.
we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. Oh,
I nearly fell asleep. See, even me, Brain also fell asleep. That was really good. Oh.
You feel refreshed.
I feel so refreshed.
5K.
Oh, but it's low tide now, so there's like literally no ocean in front of us. It's insane. Hey. Hey.
Hey, no video.
No video, why?
You need to put off the video camera on you.
Why?
Changes them.
Why?
What do you mean why? You know why.
I'm just wearing a sarong and Brain is scared that I'm gonna do a nip slip. Hmm? Hmm?
you?
The jet lag.
It's a busy day.
It was a busy day. We want to share with you guys some Swiss rolls, or they call it fancy cake here.
Share meaning you can watch it, you're not gonna taste.
Yeah. But I wanted to, even the bread here, it's so like processed. It's very soft.
Oh no. You drop it?
I could just let it look at your kop.
What the flavor is, which flavor? What's your flavor?
I don't know. Like orange?
Orange Swiss roll. Mango taro.
Nee, taro is pers. I think this is pistachio.
Never eat and chew, you'll suffocate. This is pretty good, pretty nice.
This one's coffee, you can smell it.
It's like a limey
Pistachio.
citrusy, not nutty.
And then we have
It's definitely coffee.
pastry.
I should have this one in the morning with some coffee.
This one.
Shaitan, I'm still upset about my vape. I just wanted to mention that again.
Taro and coconut custard filled pie.
It's not a satisfied face. So just explain it to me. Is it like pie pastry?
The pastry is nice, but I think the texture of the taro, which is Thailand's sweet potato, there's like a texture of raw potato inside.
Raw potato.
Do you need a crunch nie? Take a bite now. Pretty crunch. It's like raw potato, it's not nice. Brain likes pastry, so
That's not too bad.
so he's gonna have this because he likes pastry. I don't know, I'm a little bit hungry. It's like 5 o'clock, and I think the only thing we've had today was the food at the elephant sanctuary. That's the only time we've eaten today. We haven't had anything else to eat besides snacks and toy peanuts.
Oh. I'm getting a bit tired.
Let's order food. So we decided to just go for dinner since it's our last day or last night in Phuket. So it'll be like our last dinner here in Phuket, and tomorrow we take a ferry to Phi Phi Islands, which we are really excited for. But yeah, I'm wearing a dress from Guess. It's really pretty, and I have this really cute bag from Hughes.
Sri Lanka vibes.
Sri Lankan vibes. Brain says I look very, very nice. Hold it. Oh, this is the bag. Look how cute my bag is. Hughes collection sent it to me, and it's so fitting for Thailand. Look, it's like little shells. Hold it. There's nothing in there. Brain is tying his pants.
We were meant to be. So just sit with me, talking through the night into the morning, building chemistry. And I'm thinking think I ever wanna go. Come closer next to me.
So we just came to a restaurant called The Cove, and funny, the next place we're staying at is called The Cove in Phi Phi, but this is in Phuket and it's a different one. same but different.
Trying to find another way to say this, but I think you were meant to be with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go. Come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be.
Woo! So foggy. Ah! What the fog?
Good morning, good morning. So where are we going today, Angel?
The last breakfast in Phuket.
On the way to the last breakfast, and then it's off to Phi Phi. Quite excited. We were on an island for like 2 hours on the James Bond tour, which was actually very nice. Previous vlog. So I'm actually looking forward to a change. I'm still gonna miss this place.
Yeah,
but
this is so beautiful. We'll show you guys a tour after breakfast.
It's been 3 months since we talked. Feel like you're on a roll, yeah. Me, myself, and I just keep on stumbling around. You get someone else who is loving you, and oh, there he goes. Panic, I'm an addict, feel that rage inside, and oh, he don't even know. Babe, how can you be so blind? 'Cause I can love you better than no one else, and I can hold you tighter than she can. 'Cause I can love you better than no one else. 'Cause I got good old love. Do you feel lonely in a prison, darling? I know I'm still stuck somewhere in your head. Still stuck somewhere in your head.
Look at the jam. It looks so artificial. It's like fluffy and very, very smooth, but delicious.
Still stuck somewhere in your head. Can you imagine me with someone else?
We wanted to show you our room just before we pack up and leave. We're already packed up, but we're going to show you guys a little room tour.
Holding me tight here in my bed, and oh, there he goes. Panic, I'm an addict, feel that rage inside, and oh, he don't even know. Babe, how can you be so blind? 'Cause I can love you better than no one else, and I can hold you tighter than she can. 'Cause I can love you better than no one else. 'Cause I got good old love, and I can love you better than no one else, and I can hold you tighter than she can.
So we hope you guys enjoyed our little vlog and room tour. We absolutely loved staying here. And then we are off to
the Phi Phi
Islands. We packed our bags. We're on our way to get on a boat and enjoy the real island life. But bye guys.